How many designs can come from one hoop structure? More than you might think. Change the shape, the finish, or the details. One structure can support many different looks, and the color can change too. Silver, gold, rose gold, or black. From clean minimal hoops to sculptural forms and charm styles. But the design starts with the mechanism. We refine these details in 3D first. The post, locking groove, hinge, and pin all need to work together. Then we make a physical sample and test how it opens, closes, and locks. Same structure, different design possibilities. Have a concept of your own? Send us your design or reference. Let's develop it at 96jewelry.com.